Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a car that feels like it's arrived from the future, the DSX-E-Tense 2026. A vehicle that challenges everything we know about automotive design and engineering. Buckle up, because this one's going to be an electrifying ride. The moment you lay eyes on the DSX-E-Tense 2026, you realize this isn't your typical concept car, it's a vision sculpted in bold strokes and fine details. Its exterior is nothing short of stunning. DS has ditched symmetry to embrace asymmetrical design, with a unique blend of aggressive angles and fluid curves. The front end is razor sharp, with the brand's signature illuminated DS wings grille seamlessly integrated into laser-cut LED headlights that seem to pierce the night. The body is made from a lightweight carbon fiber composite, contributing to both its futuristic aesthetics and impressive aerodynamics. Butterfly doors open wide to reveal the unique character within, and the whole vehicle sits low and wide, emphasizing performance even when stationary. Under the hood, or more accurately, within the chassis, the DSX-E-Tense features a fully electric drivetrain powered by dual motors, one at each front wheel. Combined, they deliver a jaw-dropping 1,360 horsepower, putting this hyper-EV firmly in the realm of modern supercars. DS engineers have pushed the envelope with torque vectoring, enabling precise cornering at high speeds. And thanks to active suspension and real-time traction control, the DSX-E-Tense adjusts instantly to road conditions, making every ride silky smooth yet thrilling. With a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in under 2 seconds and a top speed projected to exceed 250 mph, it's not just futuristic in design, but also in raw performance. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that's more like a luxurious lounge than a traditional car interior. But here's the twist, the DSX-E-Tense is designed with an asymmetrical cockpit. On one side, you have a single-seat, race-inspired driver's pod with a yoke-style steering wheel, holographic instrument panel, and touch-sensitive surfaces that respond to hand gestures. On the passenger side, it transforms into an opulent relaxation space with a reclined seat, ambient lighting, high-end materials like satin leather and woven carbon fiber, and even a personal climate zone. The interior is customizable with AI assistance and voice controls, adapting to your comfort and driving preferences. DS Automobiles didn't stop there. The DSX-E-Tense 2026 is fully connected, offering autonomous capabilities when desired. It can drive itself with Level 4 autonomy, using advanced sensors, lidar, and AI prediction models. But the best part, it knows when you want to take control and when you'd rather let it handle the traffic. It's like driving with a personal butler who also happens to love high-speed cornering. As for pricing, while the DSX-E-Tense is still technically a concept, sources suggest a limited production model is in the works, targeted at collectors and luxury performance buyers. Estimated pricing could start upwards of $1.5 million, making it more of a statement piece than a daily driver. But what you're paying for isn't just a car, it's an experience, a sculpture in motion, a glimpse into where mobility is heading in the next decade. To wrap it all up, the DSX-E-Tense 2026 isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece. From its radical design to its high-voltage performance and ultra-luxurious interior, this is DS's bold declaration that the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we drive. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is the world ready for a car like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more futuristic reviews right here. See you next time.